Hey, are you passionate about art but don't know where to start? Or maybe you have tried sketching or painting but feel stuck? Struggling to bring your ideas to life? If that sounds like you, I have something exciting to share. My name is Tapan Kumar Roy. I am professional artist and senior lecturer in design and media with over 20 years experience in teaching art, digital art and animation. I have trained thousands of students from beginner to professional. And now I want to help you unlock your creative potential right from the comfort of your home. In these exclusive sessions, I'll be revealing simple yet powerful techniques to help you start creating confidently, and whether you are completely beginner or someone looking for refine your skill, this webinar will give you the tools, overcome creative blocks and start painting like a pro. What to learn from this webinar? The 3 biggest mistakes beginner makes and how to avoid them. Number 2, how to choose the right art style that matches your personality. Number 3, the secret of effortless sketching, coloring, mixing and the composition. And number 4, quick tips and stay motivated and inspired. And here the best part, just for attending, you will be get a free short beginner art course to kickstart your learning. Number 2, a downloadable ebook mastering the basic of art. And number 3, access to live Q&A session to answer all of your questions. This is your golden opportunity to turn your creative hunger into action. Seats are limited and you don't miss it. Click the link below, reserve your spot for free. That makes art together. Let's make art together and bring your creative vision to life.